And one day, somebody sent me a clip that one of their, I don't know if it was Embraer themselves or one of their service centers, was announcing they were putting one in. And I asked Kevin, well, if somebody's going to put it in, how about Pro Star? They have a national reputation. They can do it. And he came back and said, well, technically, Dean, they are an appropriate service center with Garmin, but they haven't done one of these. And I said, yeah, and if they were a fly-by-night group, I don't think I'd trust anybody to go into an aircraft like this and go into the heart of it. But it's Pro Star. We've known them. They have a great reputation. The job came out fantastically well. There were no negative surprises. There were a few nice positive surprises. So I'm glad we did the upgrade. I'm certainly very enthusiastic that we did it with you guys at Pro Star. And this story so far has had a happy ending.